Hey friends, if the power buttons shutdown sleep settings are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select power and battery. And then you can check the screen sleep and hibernate settings here. Okay, are these in line with what you set earlier? If yes, then proceed to the next step. Straight away open power mode and make sure that it is at best performance or plugged in and balanced for on battery. I don't even use the power saver plan for many reasons because that will impact everything else. After this, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Let it update Windows. Okay, this will do the job for you. And the last is obviously to update the driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And now you can expand the list of power drivers if you find that, or battery drivers, and then right click on it and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.